Hello students, so I am here again with a new video from chapter tissue, and today we are going to know about complex permanent tissue.
Students, we already know about permanent tissues. Permanent tissues are derived from the meristematic tissues once they lose the ability to divide. Also, broadly, the permanent tissues in plants are of two types: simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissues. Simple permanent tissues are made of one type of cells which look like each other. So, what exactly are the complex permanent tissues? Let us know. There are other permanent tissues which are made of different types of cells. They together perform a specific task. Hence, they are counted under one tissue. These are called complex permanent tissue. So remember, complex permanent tissues are made of more than one type of cells, and these cells coordinate to perform a specific task. Xylem and phloem are examples of such complex tissues. We already know xylem carries water and minerals absorbed by the roots upwards to different parts of the plants, specifically the leaves. And phloem transports the food produced during photosynthesis from the leaves to the different parts of the plants. So, phloem carries both in upward and downward direction. Both of these tissues, that is xylem and phloem, are conducting tissues and constitutes a vascular bundle. Now, coming to the structure of cells, xylem is made up of four kinds of cells. These are tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fiber. These cells have thick walls. Tracheids, vessels, and xylem fibers consist of dead cells only. Xylem parenchyma cells are living cells. The xylem parenchyma stores food and helps in sideways conduction of water. Tracheids and vessels are tubular structures. This allows them to transfer water and minerals vertically. A tracheid is also known as tracheae. The plural of trachea is tracheae. Xylem fibers are mainly supportive in function. And what about phloem? Phloem is also made up of four types of cells: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, and phloem parenchyma. Sieve tubes are tubular structures with perforated walls. Amongst these, only phloem fiber is made up of dead cells. The rest of the cells, that is sieve tubes, companion cells, and phloem parenchyma, are living cells. So, now you know broadly the permanent tissues in plants are of two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. The simple permanent tissues are made of only one type of cells which look like each other, whereas complex permanent tissues are made of more than one type of cells. These cells coordinate with each other to perform a common function. The simple permanent tissues are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. The complex permanent tissue consists of xylem and phloem, and these consist of different types of cells, and they are called complex permanent tissues. Xylem consists of four different types of cells. These are tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Of these, only xylem parenchyma consists of living cells. Phloem, which is another type of complex tissue, also have 4 types of cells: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, and phloem parenchyma. All of these are living cells except phloem fibers. So, that was all about tissues in plants.